sixth edition. Okay, you follow the spacing, the number of words, okay, limit. And then here in your abstract, it should be first introduction, then methodology, then findings, and your conclusion and recommendation. But then here, asa man yun? Okay? So, what did you use na instrument? You did not include it here. Okay? Naan sila yung sampling. They are using continuous sampling. Okay, how many participants or respondents? 120, wala. Okay? And what statistical treatment did you use? Wala po. Okay? Then yun. Okay, so your findings. Okay, so just overall findings in you, and then your significant relationship. Then your a brief description of the conclusion. And then for your acknowledgement, okay, you did not acknowledge the panelists. You only written here research panelists, but then you have to mention each of the name of the panelists. And then redundancy also in the acknowledgement. Okay? Just direct to the point. Next is okay, so here in your introduction, nalibog ko ani agam was identified, but then wala ninyo na kaayo na really specifically determine what is the gap of your study. Okay? Then also tama na po ba? Definition of terms, okay. So only use the variables of your study, which are the level of satisfaction of immediate healthcare workers. Okay, again, diba? In terms of what? You did not include here. In terms of, diba, nursing service. Last ko apila. This is the definition of terms. Apila, June. In terms of nursing, good. Hi. Na-misinterpret ni amo ang duguan. Okay. Then, hospital experience, okay, under unsa, the same. Nalagyan na, pero, oo, iilang sa ba, ito ang i-tab something. Okay? Iyan man ang variables. Okay? And then, for your conceptual framework, I think me and Ma'am Sue also asked why you separate
according ma'am sa during the validation process ma'am of the questionnaire, which also Dr. Bustillo rather from Siliman asked the copy of the conceptual framework, since in the statement of the problem it is the demographic profile from age, sex, and work experience is not included in the correlation of the two variables. She suggested that you separate the box of the demographic profile with the age, sex, and work experience, and connect the two variables in hospital experience only. So the separation of the box ma'am will only represent the healthcare workers when it comes to demographic profile.
Okay. May suggestion po, mabili ka na i-ana.
Yes, ma'am.
Your patient hospitalization experience is part of your profile.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I understood your explanation. So that is why.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, galing sa inyo page 72, table 3.1. Where did you get these values? Yun sa ninyo pag-derive kaning sa diagnostic and therapeutic, rule out, acute, chronic, asa mo gikan ani nga mga values? Ano na 10, 10, 11. Asa galing ita? Page 72. Kaning pag-present sa asa sila gikan ani nga values? Na-rule out, acute, chronic.
Ano siya? This is across tabulation of the variables, diagnosis, and nursing service. So, for example, for diagnostic and therapeutic, of the 60 na total, mura siya frequency distribution under the category diagnostic and therapeutic. Dili siya mamin kay this is categorical man. So we could not calculate mean over a category which is nominal variable. So this is actually correct. Okay. Ang reason ani ma'am is when we do chi-square test, cross-stability siya, and then the idea there is, and I also mentioned this in the book, that in a chi-square test, there should be no cell that is less than 5. Sa inyo ang pan-aron?
According, sir, to Dr. Alice is that the value of frequency cell na less than 5 is accepted as long as it does not exceed the 20% of the frequency, number of frequency cells.
Right. So, which I also counter validated. And in the books it says that it is allowed if it's less than 20% of the overall cell count. So, kanil tulo raman ka zero. Kung luto ni mo yung mga spare diri, hindi ka abot ng 20%.
So, in terms of, pinali siya pa-present.
Oo, marami dapat ang chi-square.
Okay, sige. Pinali, so, rule out.
Kaya rule out, kay si diagnosis na variable is categorical. So in the diagnosis there are diagnostic, ano yung mga categories niya, rule out, acute, chronic.
Under diagnostic and therapeutic or lain